An téanna na bháins na Sraith Allianz neamhlíte van Londain-1-8 céim a go Roinn dómach agus dhéanamh go patanta é. Ní raibh go holcaigh Mayo an irid agus ní chailir de son ach aon chlé bháin. Lethe going Londain-1-8 nuair nach raibh eatra a chá chúlín. Cúgad an dáin seo bhecha calóir le churn rang a trí.
I thought the new system worked very well. I think the 2 up, 2 down, it puts a lot of stake as well. Especially for us to get the extra game. Obviously we can't get challenge games and stuff with the logistics side of it earlier on in the year. So for us to get a 6th game was a big one, and obviously today will be the 7th game as well. It's a huge benefit to us anyway.
We won the league last year and we got promoted, and in league final into this today and got promoted again. So we're going the right way, and we have a small backroom team, but we put a lot into it, and we're getting reaping the rewards now.
Obviously with London now, silverware opportunities don't come around too often, so we're definitely fully trying to win. We are a well-equipped team now, and they're a lot of the touring guys. They're well used to winning. We came across them now with the clubs in London as well, and we can never seem to get the better of them. They're fantastic hurlers.
They're a big team, and if we can keep the ball over the ground, we're a small, fast team, so hopefully we get over the line.
Macht darmat ancha a haman trátrachta.
Tá imróí is cúig club ar fad gimmar na Londain-1-8 anneo, agus an ordu céim a baint a maithag go rindó hana hen. Fuirte the canas fear ar Mayo sa glyfa grúpa le rá chólín. But Paul Kennedy anpríd an ordu porca ma antra siút shelf agus David Devine lína non tosach sinan tosi is contúltí atá acha. Maidil Mayo, well, chuid is múgan na himróí tag a club an túrín agus fetha súla sin. Tá 3 club eile san orb chumá. Michele costan an bhara bela hánis agus mai túra. Liam Levin contúrtachs na tosi a chamála Shane Boland tífa stide. Connílach uásach a johar fad. London is the ganza habona agus Mayo when he's am kenta hatar. Arira sha unti luanish. Ag fer the hard carach or car hassle agus Paul Kennedy down. Creachta Jessica Kennedy. Head score. Oh, puck slast all in Bulchesdach. Tá sí fáte nach counter jug London. Dagus kickalcha awal jistet. Neil Baton Derek kickalcha Conor McCormack. Well, Conor Carla Ruggan slitter. Puck slast our bar Carla Rug. Jana our bar fad at Irucht. Canal la stoppy a good goal bar and chin Conor McCormack. Urtwahan pass Cormac as he correctly Keely Shane Boland. Shocking to Jason Coyne, Ellen Gary, Jason Coyne, Ashton Butt to her Borriga. Barnalai do go pair. Tá Shella Fotcherich, Sean Glenn. Michelle Niv Gabriel. Ruhur Bra a shot. Paul Kennedy, ni fed Brian Schlitter, Tash an honest Schlitter wole zero, come on, gentle go hauling again. Tá wasach stop it ar leid ach tá forcant slow in the fad sin Erotic Shane Boland. Bulchers a taobh líne sin an Colin Shane Boland. Carú can an chéile fáte acha ó Lahama jo. Puck slesa for she's cool to get now puck slesa so sin puts a her bar chama. Ish. Shall fós ag London. To catch a Bulchig David Devine ag the Bulchig Jessica. You were the British Sraith and Chohanish. Shane Boland, Castle Shane Boland, Hart to Omega, Agus and Ish to Colin Shane Boland. On first Ogaman or on Cheshelv. Mayo and Keane. Down to Machnish against the British Sraith. So she fought on Delaney, Vi Lahak in the goal. Below Shane, Agus Colin all in the goal Delaney. Tí tradition tá scóir tá tal London ag trá seo. Lábhan uachtar ag Mayo an trasta dar le tá sí ar an unsa ríis. Catcha dul sias. As tá sí fáte ag Liam Levin ná chas Liam as bhúilte sin ar chasa dó. Sin cúlin áling ag Liam Levin. Tá go maith teachtas an trí cholín idir na fórne. Agus an adó Gernach Shades agus an taxin genta ag Mayo. Siad curtha Roinn 3.
Bhí gacrod Jacker nó is a céad le bhí an grí an láidir tras an na parca. Bhí sé carbáiste freisin, so bhí sé Jackar right chun Iomána imirt. Bhí taspánsas an láidir agin sa dar le. So yeah, bhí ás an downer in. Bhí mar ag glóir taspántas agus leúnmh dé bhí an bú agin inniu.
I suppose we felt, playing London the last day, we kind of left behind us, and we're just glad we got a second chance to go at them again, We were a close group, I think 2 years ago they got relegated, and then we got involved, and we had to rebuild again, and we got promoted last year, won the league, and listen, I know we had promotion again come down here today, but listen, at the end of the day we still want to win, so listen, we'll enjoy tonight and rebuild again, and we go back to Wednesday night and get ready for us coming in 2 weeks' time.